What is up, denizens of the internet? My name is Stephon Williams and you are watching Master Steph's Mixology. How's it going, friends? It's been a long time since we've seen a video from me, but we're back, and this time we are celebrating Old Fashioned Week. This video is not sponsored by Elijah Craig, but we are using Elijah Craig's whiskey for Old Fashioned Week. Old Fashioned Week is basically a week where they celebrate, one of the most traditional cocktails in the world, the Old Fashioned. And if you take a picture of an Old Fashioned you create and upload it to Instagram, Elijah Craig is giving up to $100,000 towards restaurant workers. Put the actual link below in the description, and I'll have my information typed down there. So what we have here is we have the ingredients for an Old Fashioned. Old Fashioned is really simple to make. It just takes sugar, water, bitters, and bourbon. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. We're just gonna hop right into it because I have no banter for you today. So first we're gonna open up this bottle of Elijah Craig. I should open this ahead of time, but it's okay. This is so embarrassing. All right, boom, 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 boom. Okay, we got it. It's very simple to make an Old Fashioned, so we're going to do it the most traditional way. Traditionally, Old Fashioned is made with a sugar cube, which is what I have right here. That is the sugar we're going to add. More commonly, people now just add simple syrup because it's very easy to do, but I want to try to make it, the most traditional way for Old Fashioned Week, right? So why not go ahead and do it the traditional way? We're going to take our rocks glass here, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. So making an Old Fashioned is very, very simple. We're going to start with our sugar cube. So we're going to just drop the sugar cube in the glass. Then on top of the sugar cube, we are going to add some Angostura bitters as a very important ingredient in a Old Fashioned. So we're gonna just do about 3 to 4 dashes of bitters right on top of the sugar cube. It really just depends on, I guess, how much you like bitters. I like a nice amount of bitters. Next, we're going to add just about a bar spoon worth of soda water right on top. This will help the sugar to dissolve. So I have some boop, boop, boop. Boom, not too much, just enough to help it dissolve. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and muddle this. So I'm going to take my muddler here and I'm going to just press down to crush the sugar. And we're going to just muddle this up into a bit of a paste in the glass. We don't want all the sugar to completely dissolve. We want to keep some of that graininess at the bottom. So you see we have this nice kind of liquidy graininess there. All right, next we're going to add our bourbon. So we're going to add 2 ounces of this Elijah Craig. Ooh, a nice pop. 2 ounces of 2 ounces, I'm a professional. 2 ounces of Elijah Craig right into the glass. Perfect. So next we're going to take our ice and we're going to just gently set the ice into the glass. And now we're just going to give this a stir with our bar spoon. And we're going to just kind of stir till it chills and dilutes a little bit. You kind of want to stir until the sides of the glass start to kind of frost up a bit. This will kind of incorporate all the ingredients, make sure it chills. And this is part of the process, Roughly around 30 seconds is usually pretty good. I don't think has it been 30 seconds? We're gonna assume it's been 30 seconds. So now the last thing we're going to do before we finish this process off is we're going to take our orange peel here. We're going to get some of this orange peel. And you wanna get a nice, I suck at doing this. You wanna get a nice cut of orange peel. Let's try that again. Yeah, it's probably a safer way to do this. So let's move my finger out of the way. You wanna get a nice cut of orange peel. Let's do it one more time. A nice cut of orange peel. 3rd time's probably the charm. But 4th time? Hey, there we go, look at that. Perfect. So now what we're going to do with this orange peel is we're going to just express some of the oils from the peel into the drink by just spritzing it on top right there, right? Now that we express some of the oils, we're going to whisk it around the rim of the drink and we're gonna just drop it on in there. But now here we go, we have a nice Old Fashioned with that nice clear ice. All right, and here we have it, one Old Fashioned. In honor of Old Fashioned Week, let's go ahead and give it a taste. It looks nice, I like my clear ice, doing this work. Let's go ahead and see how this tastes. Okay, wow. Let me put you up in the forefront, my friend. The Elijah Craig definitely has a nice, strong flavor. This is my first time actually drinking Elijah Craig. I was running low on whiskey anyway. And last time I used just Jim Beam when I did my other old fashioned video. So like, let me get, in honor of Elijah Craig Old Fashioned Week, let me go ahead and get some. Once again, the hashtag not sponsored, but you can change that Elijah Craig. You can make it change. But yeah, this is a very great tasting cocktail. It's very strong up front compared to the other old fashions that I've tried in the past, or that I've made in the past, because I don't know, the flavor of the Elijah Craig is just so vastly different. Like, I never before was a big like connoisseur on different types of whiskey or things of that nature, but this definitely is hitting me in a completely different way than past old fashions have hit me. So like I said, if you upload a picture to Instagram using hashtag Old Fashion Week and you tag Elijah Craig, then they donate $5 to the restaurant workers fund thing I was talking about earlier. Well, blam. Here, look at a different angle. No, get that nice angle off with the ice. There we go. Neat. All right, cool. So this is an old fashioned. That's really all I got for you. Be careful when using a slicer, unlike me. As you can see, we've had a bit of an injury on the set. Just be careful when using sharp objects. That's all I ask. If you're holding something, cut away from yourself. It's a big first step. And then also make sure all of your fingers and appendages are free from harm's way. So you really want to cut this way, which I did not do. So lesson learned. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, let me know if you like it. All of that fun YouTuber stuff that other YouTubers be saying to do in their videos. I'll look in the description below. I'll post a link to the Old Fashioned Week website, and make sure you use the hashtag Old Fashioned Week if you decide to make your own old fashioned and post it online. Help restaurant workers. I used to work at a restaurant. It sucks for those people, so help them out. Anyway, I am Master Steph. Thanks for watching my video. And with that, I am going to be out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.